Students, let us begin the third chapter now, triangles. Now here let us see the first theorem, theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Now the statement of the theorem is, measure of the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. So we have to prove that angle PRS, this is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Angle PQR and angle QPR, these are the remote interior angles for the exterior angle PRS. Now let us see how we have to prove this. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ, this is equal to 180 degree. Give it equation number 1. Now angle PRQ plus angle PRS is also equal to 180 angles in a linear pair. So now from 1 and 2, the right hand side is equal to 180. So the left hand side are also equal. So angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ, this is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRS. So PRQ on both the sides cancels and we get angle PQR plus angle QPR. This is equal to 180, is equal to PRS. So the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now let us see the next one, the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Now we know that sum of the two positive numbers a and b, a plus b is always greater than a and greater than b also. Now angle PRS is an exterior angle of a triangle PQR. Then PRS is greater than angle P as well as PRS is greater than angle Q. So the exterior angle is always greater than its remote interior angle. Now let us see the first exercise 3.1. Given in figure, angle ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. Angle B equal to 40 degree, angle A equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle ACD. Now measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. The theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. So 70 plus 40 is equal to 110 degree. Now second one, in triangle PQR, angle P equal to 70 degree, angle Q equal to 65 degree, find angle R. Now we know that sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the values. 70 plus 85 plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. So 155 degree plus measure of angle R is equal to 180 degree. So measure of angle R is 180 minus 155, that is 25 degree. Now third one, given the measures of the angles are x minus 20 degree and x minus 40 degree. Find the measures of all the angles of a triangle. Now we know that measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B is equal to x minus 20, measure of angle C is equal to x minus 40 degree. Now in triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 is equal to 180. So 3x minus 60 is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 plus 60, that is 240. So x will be equal to 240 upon 3, that is 80 degree. So the measures of the angles of a triangle are, measure of angle A is equal to x degree is equal to 80 degree. Angle B is equal to 80 minus 20, that is 60 degree. Angle C is equal to 80 minus 40 equal to 40 degree. Now fourth one, the measures of one of the angles of a triangle is twice the measure of its smallest angle and measure of the other is thrice the measure of the smallest. Find the measure of three angles. Let the measure of the smallest angle be x, measure of one angle is 2x, measure of other angle is 3 times the smallest angle, means 3x. So sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree, we know. So x plus 3x is equal to 180. So 6x is equal to 180, x is equal to 30 degree. So measures of angles of a triangle are x is equal to 30 degree, 2x is equal to 2 into 30, that is 60 degree, and 3x is equal to 3 into 30, that is 90 degree. So therefore measures of some angles of the triangle are given in the figure. We have to find out the value of x, y and z. Now we know that measure of angle EMN plus measure of angle EMR is equal to 180 degree, linear pair of angles. So z plus 140 is equal to 180, that is z is equal to 180 minus 140, that is 40 degree. Then angle TEY and angle N plus angle NEM is also 180 degree, linear pair of angles. So 100 plus y is equal to 180 degree, y is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 100 degree. Now in triangle ENM, measure of angle E plus measure of angle N plus measure of angle M is equal to 180 degree. So 80 plus x minus x plus 40 is equal to 180. So 120 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. So values of x, y and z is 60, 80 and 40. Now the sixth sum. In figure, line AB is parallel to line TE. Find measure of angle DRE and measure of angle ARE. Now line AB is parallel to line DE. So measure of angle BAR is equal to measure of angle RDE, that is equal to 30 degree. Then in triangle DRE, measure of angle D plus measure of angle R plus measure of angle E is equal to 180 degree. So 30 plus measure of angle DRE plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So here you will get DRE plus 70 degree is equal to 180. So measure of angle DRE is equal to 110 degree. Now DRE plus ARE, this is equal to 180 degree, linear pair of angles. So 110 plus angle ARE is equal to 180 degree. So angle ARE is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Now the seventh sum you see here. In figure, in triangle ABC, AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B. So angle C is equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of angle AOB. Let the measure of angle A be 2x, measure of angle B be 2y. So in triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is equal to 180 degree. So sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 2x plus 2y plus 70 is equal to 180. So 2 into x plus y plus 70 is equal to 180. So 2 into x plus y is 180 minus 70, that is 110. So x plus y is equal to 55. So ray AO and ray BO, these are the bisectors of the angle. So measure of angle OAB is equal to x and measure of angle OBA is equal to y. So in triangle OAB, measure of angle OAB plus measure of angle AOB plus measure of angle OBA, this is equal to 180 degree. So x plus measure of angle AOB plus y is equal to 180. So measure of angle AOB plus 55 is equal to 180. So measure of angle AOB is 180 minus 55, that is 125. So now the eighth sum you see here. In triangle A figure, line AB is parallel to line CD and line PQ is the transversal. Ray PT and ray QT are bisectors of angle BPQ and PQD respectively. Now to prove therefore that a measure of angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Now line AB is parallel to line CD. Let measure of angle BPQ is equal to 2x and measure of angle PQD is equal to 2y. Now TPQ is equal to x degree ray PT is the bisector of angle BPQ, and ray PQ, angle PQT is equal to y, ray QT is the bisector of angle PQD. Now measure of angle BPQ plus measure of angle PQD is equal to 180 degree. Interior angles are supplementary. So 2x plus 2y is 180. So x plus y is equal to 90. Now in triangle PQT, measure of angle TPQ plus measure of angle PQT plus measure of angle PTQ, this is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the measures of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus y plus PTQ is 180. 90 plus measure of angle PTQ is 180. So measure of angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. Now using the information in the figure, find the values of A, B and C angle. Now angle B is equal to 70 degree vertically opposite angles. Angle C plus angle 100 is equal to 180 degree linear pair of angles. So angle C will be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. So therefore substitute the values. Angle A plus 70 plus 80 degree is 180. Angle A plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle A will be 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. Now the 10th one, DE is parallel to GF and ray EG is the bisector of angle DEF. To prove that DEG, this is equal to half the angle EDF and EF is equal to EG. Let measure of angle DFM is equal to 2x. Measure of angle DFG equal to measure of angle GFM is equal to x degree. Ray FG is the bisector of angle DFM. Now measure of angle DEF is equal to 2y. So DEG is equal to GEF is equal to y. Ray EG is the bisector of angle DEF. Now line DE is parallel to line GF and line DF is the transversal. So EDF is equal to DFG EFG, that is the alternate angles. So angle GEF is equal to angle EGF. So triangle EGF is an isosceles triangle. So EF is equal to FG.